Hi children, how are you all? Hope all are doing good and be safe at home. Okay, today we are going to learn new topic. Okay, what is the topic? That is more and less. Before learning the topic, we will learn one rhyme. Okay, we start our program with rhyme, children. Are you ready, children? Come on, put like this hands. Put like this. Okay. Roly poly, roly poly. Come on, do it. Roly poly, more, more, more. Roly poly, more, more, more. Roly poly, less, less, less. Roly poly, less, less, less. Okay, come on, do it little faster. Okay, roly poly, more, more, more. Roly poly, more, more, more. Roly poly, less, less, less. Roly poly, less, less, less. So today our topic is more and less. Okay, children, see, I brought so many objects to show you. See here. So, today in this session, we are going to learn a concept of comparison of more and less. So, how can we say? How can we say something we have more and something we have less? When we count the objects, we can decide the quantity based on the quantification of the objects. Okay, children. Now I will show you all the objects and I will teach you how to learn more and less. Okay, children. Come on, see here. See here. Here some spoons are there. We have to put the spoons here like this. This is one group and this is another group. In this group, 4 spoons are there and in this group, 2 spoons are there. Okay, when we compare 2 groups, then we can learn which is more and which group is less. Okay, children, see here. See how many spoons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. In this group, 4 spoons are there. In this group, 2 spoons are there. See here. This is 4 spoons and here 2 spoons. Okay? 4 spoons and 2 spoons. Now, can you tell me which group is more spoons, children? See here. In this group, 4 spoons are there. In this group, 2 spoons are there. So which group is more spoons? Here? No. Here more spoons are there. So, see here. Here 4 spoons are there. Here 2 spoons are there. When like this, we have to distinguish. Okay? Now, let us do some more objects. Okay? See here. Can we take pencils? Okay? See. Pencils. See here. Now I am putting some pencils here. And here some pencils. So how many pencils are here? Count, children. How many are here? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. See here. 6. How many are here? 6 pencils. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here 4 pencils are there. So in this group, how many pencils are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 pencils are there. So now can you tell me which group has more pencils, children? Here this group is having more pencils. Okay, this group is having less pencils. So like this we have to distinguish. Okay, so now let us take crayons, children. Here some crayons are there. See here. See, I am putting here some crayons and here putting some crayons. Okay. See, come on, count all the crayons, children. How many crayons are there? See, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many crayons are there? 8 crayons are there. So, how many are there? 8 crayons are there. Here, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 crayons are there. So, in this group, 8 crayons are there. In this group, 3 crayons are there. Can you tell me which group is more, children? Which group is having more crayons? This group. Okay, this group is having more crayons. So, M-O-R-E, more. Okay, in this group, less crayons are there. 3. This is L-E-S-S, less. See, 1, 2, 3 only are here. Here, 8 are there. So, like this, we have to distinguish the objects. Okay, children? Now, we will do this with clips or pegs, children. This clip or peg. Okay, here we are putting some clips. Okay, here we are keeping some clips. Now, can we count how many clips are here? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many clips are here, children? 9 clips are there. See here. How many are there? 9 clips are there. Here, only 1 clip is there. Okay. See here. In this group, how many clips are there? 9 clips are there. In this group, only 1 clip is there. We did this by quantifying the number of objects. Okay. 1 is lesser than 9. This group is having more clips. See here. This is having more clips and this group is having less clips. Okay. Children, shall we do with the cups now? Okay. Come on, children. Here some cups are there. See how many cups are here. Say, you also count with me, children. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cups are here? 6 are there. Okay. Here, how many cups are there? 1, 2. So, 2 cups are there. In this group, 6 cups are there. In this group, 2 cups are there. So, which group is having more cups? Here. So, this group is having more cups. Which group is having less cups? 2 is less than 6. Okay. 2 is less than 6. Now, how did we do this? By quantifying the number of objects. Okay. This group is more cups are here. See here. This group, more glasses are there. In this group, less glasses are there. So, how did we do this? By quantifying the number of objects. For any comparison, we need 2 objects. Okay, children? Children, now we will do with color bottles. This is what is there inside? Paint. See, color. Okay, we will do painting now, that color. Okay, color bottles are there. Here, some color bottles are there. So, how many bottles are here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bottles are there? 4 are there. So, in this, see, 4. Here, in this group, 4 bottles are there. So, here, how many are there? Only 1, 2. See, 2 bottles are there. So, which group is having more bottles, children? Can you tell me? Is it having more? No. Is it having more? Here 4 bottles are there, no? So, this is more than 2. Okay, children? Here 2 only are there. Here 4 are there. So, 2 is less than 4. Okay. Children, this is the comparison of more and less. Okay, children? Like this, you also do the activity with the help of your parents. Whatever objects you are having at home, you do this activity, children. Okay? Hi, children. Now I have explained about concept of comparison of more and less. Okay? With so many objects I have showed you, no? Okay? Same concept I am going to do on the board once again. Now, here, this is more, children. M-O-R-E, more. L-E-S-S, less. Here, two bowls are there. See, this is one bowl and this is another bowl. In this bowl, I am going to draw some pebbles, children. Small pebbles. See here. See, I am drawing some pebbles. So here also I am going to draw some pebbles. So now count all the pebbles, children. See here, how many pebbles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5 pebbles are there. Okay. So how many are there? 5 are there. In this bowl, count the pebbles, children. How many are there? 1, 2, 3 are there. See. So here 5 pebbles are there. Here 3 pebbles are there. In these two bowls, which bowl is having more pebbles? Which is having more pebbles? This? No, here only 3 are there. How many are here? 5 pebbles are there. So, this is 3 is less than 5. So, this is more. So, because here 5 pebbles are there, here 3 only are there. So, this is more and this is less. How did we do this? By distinguish the number of objects. Okay. Now, one more I am going to show you. See here, children. This is one glass. What is this? This is glass. This is also one more glass. So, mommy will give you every day milk, no? How she will give you milk? In the glass only, no? In the glass, see here. See, full glass milk is there. So, here only this much only there. Okay. Now, this is it less milk is there in the glass? Is it less? No, this is more. Full glass milk is there. This is more. Here, only till here milk is there. No, this is less. More, this is less. How did you say this? This is more and this is less. By quantity, we can say this. This quantity is more, this is less. So, children, for this concept, more and less concept, I am giving you one small assignment. What is the assignment? I will show you on the board. See here, children. See. For assignment, you draw like this bowls, children. This is one bowl and this is another bowl. Okay. You draw like this bowls and in this bowl you draw more pebbles like this. Okay. You draw more pebbles. Here less pebbles. Okay. Here more pebbles are there. No, you count the pebbles and write here. Here also you count the pebbles and write the number here. After that, you identify which bowl is having less pebbles. That bowl you have to color the pebbles. Okay, children? This is one small activity. All of you do in your notebooks. Okay, children?